Okay, now that I take a step, I'm into the Jurassic, and that is about 3 steps so from the wall, 3 meters. So from the wall, take a few, I'm going Triassic. Here's the Triassic meter here, and look at I am from the wall. Sam, don't go behind me, because I can't video then, you're in the way. And then I keep going, Permian, I'm getting up to around 150 million years, and I'm still going further and further back from the wall, which is present day.
So this is the placoderm fish, and it was thought to be our ancestor because it was the first fish to actually have a jaw. It was also called the armor fish because, as you can see here, it had scales all around it that acted as armor against its predators, and it was the top carnivore in that time.
Cueing you.
Trilobites are the most recognized prehistoric arthropods, a family that was so successful that they are still alive today, and include 80% of all living species. The first trilobites appeared 600 million years ago and thrived for 350 million years. Though limited to salt water, trilobites still form more than 17,000 distinct species.
Now we're in the Devonian, which is a huge thing in this area because, of course, Yoho Valley, you have the Burgess Shale, which is some of the best soft-bodied invertebrate fossils on the planet there. And now we're in the early Cambrian, and we have a couple of species here.
Okay, this is the Ichthyostega. It was during the late Devonian period. It was responsible for making a few species of frog, amphibians, and it's a almost incredibly deadly snake.
Huaxia. Huaxia was discovered in 1899. It was a soft-bodied animal that lived in the Middle Cambrian. Huaxia was 6 to 15 millimeters long. It was slug-like and had many spines on its back for protection.
The Animalocaris. Its discovery of the Animalocaris in 1892 was on Mount Stephen. It was first said to belong to an unknown phylum, but later research declared it belonged to a new class of arthropods, the Dinocariida along with the Amphibinia. It lived during the Cambrian era. About 2 genera of the Animalocariidae are recognized, Animalocaris and the Gania.
Hello, this is the Alamalocaris. It evolved for early amoebas and microbes evolved into the Alamalocaris, which started at the beginning of the Cambrian period.
Now we're going away again. This is where far we're back. Present day is that concrete wall back there that you can see I'm waving at, and here we are in the Silurian, which is quite a while ago, probably 300 million years ago, and we're going to go to the next one. Go.
Dunk these in the Silurian, and it was also one of the first jawed animals
Can
at
we
this
take a look
planet.
at that neat picture? That's cool.
It used to be the top of the food jawed animals on the planet until when Pangea separated, it died because of the competition of food.
Pangea.
Pangea.
Gotcha. Early Cambrian, they're going way back. Okay, scrolling, drop that. Let's scroll to it. Start talking.
My indicator species is Yaldonia amorpha. It's known for its similar physical features as a jellyfish, and it was found in the earlier Cambrian age, about 525 million years ago.
Nautiloids were prehistoric animals that lived during the early Paleozoic era, about 500 million years ago. These creatures still live today, but their straight conical shell is now curved.
Okay, my species is the Morella splendens. It lived 750 million years ago. Its name means lace crab, but actually it wasn't a crustacean. It was more like it was a pre-evolved trilobite. Yeah.
Tabulate coral is an extinct form of coral related to modern coral. They were found during the Paleozoic era and from the Ordovician to the Permian periods. It died out roughly 250 million years ago in the mass extinction at the end of the Permian period.
Yes. If we look over in the distance, you will see the gentlemen. They are standing at the beginning of Earth history. Way over there, that's the beginning of Earth. And if we go back this way, I'm standing at the early Precambrian. And if you go behind me, and I miss Leon, that is present-day period where the wall is. So you get an idea how old this planet is and how little time life's been around. And we'll fill this up this afternoon.